Hello everybody, we are out with my 1998 RAV4 and today I wanted to do something a little different. I'm going to sit down, look on Facebook Marketplace in my area and see what other first gen RAV4s are selling for. As a reference, I bought this RAV4 for $3,000 around 5 months ago. Since then I've had extremely low issues with it, besides the alternator, which I killed after killing the battery about 5 times. Without further ado, let's see what we can find. I'll see you on the inside. I'm located in southern Alberta, Canada. Set the location right there in the center and zoom out 400 kilometer radius. So we'll go to our search here and search 1990 RAV4. That should cover all of the first gen RAV4s. All right, so the first listing that pops up is for a 1997 Toyota RAV4, $4,200, 5-speed manual. Body looks all right. 259,000 kilometers. It's getting up there, but only 30,000 kilometers more than mine here. Oh. This is interesting. Okay, looks like it also has a spare parts car. CV axle Bluetooth tour. Other than that, a perfect vehicle. New brake shoes, clutch, timing belt, water pump, oil pump, seal, front struts, rear differential mount. All that work 1 year old. Quite a bit of work invested. It says listed over a year ago, so it might have been sold and they forgot to take their listing down. $4,200 overall, depending how that rust situation is. Alright, next listing. This one's a little more interesting. Listed 12 days ago for $7,000. It's a 97 Toyota RAV4. With 340,000 kilometers. Looks like he's listing it with this rooftop tent here, which looks like it's the all-wheel drive with a diff lock like my own. Says it runs reliably and great, but that's 340,000 kilometers, and I wonder how much he plans to take off without the rooftop tent here. Couldn't be more than a couple grand, so let's say 5 grand for this 97 RAV4. That's interesting. Alright, scrolling down, I did actually just see before I started this video this Land Cruiser, 95 Toyota Land Cruiser FCJ80. Super cool. I did put a heart on this one because I want it. Should I buy this, you guys? $15,000 for 95 Land Cruiser, clean title, 270,000 kilometers. These are pretty neat. Anyways, scrolling down, don't see any other first gen RAV4s here. Alright, other results. So these are outside of my radius. I see a 1998 Toyota RAV4. That's the same year as my own. 240,000 kilometers, and they have it listed for $68,000. Looks pretty cool though. It's a white color, pretty clean rust-wise. Besides being dirty, it is the automatic transmission. Alright, that's not the best rust-wise, but it's hard to tell because it's filthy. There's a cleaner picture. It's a nice looking RAV4. Alright, that's it for photos. Coolant flush, all-wheel drive 98 Toyota RAV4. New ball joints, new struts. I need new struts in mine for sure. Tensioners, idlers, and seals. Everything I had done when I had my timing belt done. 240,000 kilometers, 6,800, and this was listed 10 days ago. Wow, I still can't believe I got my own for 3 grand. That was a steal of a deal, and it just gives me no reason to ever get rid of it. Alright, anything else? There's a 98 RAV4 here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow, there's that big brush guard. Looks like it's a 2-door soft top. Pretty cool. 4,490. This is all in Canadian, by the way. Oh, it's front wheel drive, automatic. 4,490. This is 20 days ago. This looks pretty cool. It'd be awesome if it was all-wheel drive, manual transmission, but it's auto front-wheel drive. Still a really cool little car that I'm sure many people could enjoy. All right, I've seen this one listed 2 months ago. I've seen it a bit. $3,600. Doesn't look too bad from the pictures, but it's hard to tell with all the plastic. It is the automatic, and it has 321,000 kilometers. And they do say the body's slightly beat. They do also say it will need some attention. 3,600 OBO as is. Cool, I like the green. Ooh, 1992 Toyota pickup. I want to get my hands on one of these sooner or later. 99 Toyota RAV4 here. It's the 2-door convertible. Very cool, very nice. They've got a pretty fancy seat cover there. I should get one of those. 5-speed manual. Oh, they got the hard top for it too, it looks like. 380,000 kilometers. Wow, that's almost 400. I hope I get that far. Small oil leak from oil pan gasket. All right, who cares? Power windows work intermittently. That's expected for almost 400,000 kilometers. Hard top and soft top. That's awesome. Very minimal rust, no holes. Cool. 380,000 kilometers for 5,300. Definitely getting up there still. Looks pretty sweet. What do you guys think? We got another Toyota pickup here. I saw it, but it's not really what I'm looking for. All right, another 97 RAV4 listed a month ago. 247,000 kilometers. That's closer to what mine is. Only says oil burn, coolant leak, clunking steering, suspension clunks. So sounds like this one needs a little bit of work. $4,000 listed a month ago. 4,000 OBO. Looks all right. Similar to mine, a little different being a 97, I think. Different seat design. I do like mine. Oh, it is an automatic too. Sounds like if you really wanted one of these, you could find one for cheap that needs a bit of work. Probably has a bit of rust. All right, scrolling down, not seeing too many more. Okay, here's a 97 with blown engine, both all-wheel drive. All right, well, that's interesting. They're definitely getting more scarce. Not too many listed for sale right now. Probably over 500 kilometer radius that I'm looking at now at this point, scrolling down so far. Well, everybody, that sure was interesting to take a look. I haven't actually done that, zoomed out that far on the search radius within 500 kilometers for the first gen RAV4. Seems like if I was in the place of needing one, I need to drive some hours, buy one with some more rust and possibly needing more work. If I wanted to get even near the price range I bought this one for at $3,000 Canadian, they're necessarily rare, but they're definitely becoming scarce and harder to come by. It's definitely cool to me when I see another one on the road, but finding a good used car in general is something that takes a little bit of time. I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested in sticking around for more videos, please subscribe, comment your thoughts and experiences down below, check out my other videos. Have a great rest of your week, guys.